Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of Linux and trying to explore a unique desktop environment called Hyprland. And for those who need highly customizable desktop environment, I highly recommend Hyprland. So it's a combination of a perfect fit which I need to show you guys as I've already set up in my device. So I installed this script about, I guess, 2 months ago, yeah. So I've been using it and I've not run into any issues. I had initially ran into default configurations, the Keybindings, but I ended up changing them because previously I was on Xmonad and I tried to map the keys which I had previously adapted in my Xmonad setup. I tried to copy them in this Hyprland and everything was working quite perfect. Yeah, so guys, to begin, I have used this script Hyperdots by this author and I found it quite a very nice. Here's a video explanation on how the script looks like, and yeah, it's a simple installation. Just need to git clone this link and change into the scripts directory and then install, and everything else will be taken care of. So for my setup, the initial setup in which one can change from one environment to another. We use the mod and 0 to 1 keys to change. I guess that's mostly the default for most of the window managers. And to open my apps, Windows key plus O opens the Rofi menu where you can open any app or even search any app directly. And as you can see, there's this. For example, you can move this desktop from, it's currently in the third display. You can move it to the fourth by using mod shift and the number of the window to move it to. So the next thing I want to show you guys is, you can see it's using the Waybar. We are using the Waybar. And actually clicking on either of these will open that application window which is opened. And as you can see, it has a inhibitor and a full date calendar. And these icons are fully clickable. You can manage your Wi-Fi connections and the Bluetooth one. But I found something very weird because, it hasn't happened now, but as you can see, sometimes when I click on either of these, the Bluetooth or the audio, they tend to open this in a different screen, which somehow is not really good. But all in all, it works perfectly. Yeah, so you can actually choose everything works. Yeah, so to provide most of the functionality which you can find in a regular desktop environment like KDE or NOM. So yeah, the next thing I'll show you guys is, first let's get done with the Waybar only. So as you can see, there's these icons over here, which you can, like this switch bar, you can change where this bar is being placed. For example, when I click on it, you see it's now on this side. When I click on it again, it will just cycle through all where the Waybar can be placed. When I click again, it's over here. clicking on it, it goes to here. And for some reason it just changed its layout. Well, I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know. And the next thing is wallpapers. Wallpapers are really available and they come in packs of each specific thing you have. So for example, by pressing Mod Shift W, you get a selection of wallpapers that are currently matched to the current theme which you have. So it's just simple by you click wallpaper and it gets applied automatically. So yeah, I need to go back to the previous one because I very prefer it. So everything is so simple to change and to adapt. So as I told you that wallpapers are matched by doing so, pressing Mod Shift T will open several of the themes. Will open several themes which have already been set, and each theme will be loaded based on its configuration file. For example, let's load Grandbox theme. Each theme has configuration for everything. It will change the Waybar. The current GTK theme will be changed, and also the icons. As you can see, these are different icons, and over here we also got different icons. And for the layout borders, they have also changed based on the theme, and I guess Dolphin was also changed. Yeah, you get different icons. So each theme is fully customizable. You see, each theme has its own wallpapers, so you can set up different wallpaper for each theme. Okay, let me go back to the previous theme which I had. It's this graphic mode. And I hope you guys will see the real-time changes. And I don't know why this Waybar just changed its style. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it changes based on the theme. And the other thing is, you see this sort of a menu. It has its own style. You can also change based on which one you want. By pressing on Windows and the Mod key plus A, Mod Shift A. Mod Shift A will open the theme. Where you can choose which specific one you want. And they all really look nice, so you can have anything you want. So I need to show you the configuration. So these are my Keybindings. I've bind my terminal is Kitty. I really like it. It's so fast. By pressing on Mod Shift and and previously, I don't know what it was previously because I think I changed it based on my previous Xmonad setup, and I disabled this because my keyboard had issues with, so it used to open VS Code when I didn't need it. Okay, the Keybindings have been listed in their websites, so you don't need to struggle much. So like closing a forecast window, Mod Shift. So mine is using Mod Shift C because that's what I had in my plan, but everything is customizable. You can choose what you want. And let me show you the logs. screen. I don't know if it will be displayed. Well, that's weird. Okay, I guess it's because I'm screen recording it can't lock the screen. But anyway, that they are using. Oh, finally, just locked. I guess my laptop is very slow. It's trying to lock. So let me unlock. Yeah, so guys, the next video I'll show you the full setup in where I'll be installing Linux from scratch and show you guys how to install and customize using this specific script, and also show you the minor issues I found. For example, I think it's monitors. I had to preset this differently because I'm not using my laptop screen. I've connected to my external monitor, and it really had issues to display. The words were really big, so yeah, these two lines fixed my problem. And I think the next thing I want to show you guys is, so I think when you have some issues with authentication, for example, my toolkit KB authentication, these lines I added them because my password in Google Chrome were not getting saved, or I couldn't even access them because the wallet, the KD wallet was locked. So I'm using this. I'll make a video on how to configure it and for you to get your passwords working in a window manager. The next thing over here is what I did. Yeah, the input. I toggled this to yes because I really prefer natural scrolling. Yeah, when I scroll up, the words should go up. That's what I really like. That's what I'm used to. The next thing I did change over here was, I don't think there's anything else I changed. So this script is fully set up. You won't be able to change much of the things over here. So as I told you, the themes file will be configured depending on which theme you have chosen. And the next thing for the window rules, for some reason, having a value of 1 is setting the whole window opaque. But my Google Chrome, yeah, this time it works, it's opaque. It was not working before. I don't know. Yeah, but these are the window rules. You can change the values depending on what you want. Yeah, then the layer rules. For example, the roughly there's some type of transparency and blur, so you can set it to relevant. The next thing is, so in case you have any configurations you need to add, there's this dedicated file where you can put your configurations over here. I didn't change anything else and everything was working quite perfect. I had to install some several tools like the WF recorder, which I'm using to record. I had to install it separately because it's using Wayland, and most of the single screen recorder cannot work on a Wayland environment. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. You can come and check out this guy. Check out his videos and check out these things that he has already set here. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm uploading the next video where I'm showing the installation of Linux and installing this specific thing by this guy, and show you guys myself installing it. So yeah, subscribe and like this video. See you in the next one.